Hello friends, this is Rukhsar Firoz Khan, a trained teacher from L.K.Waghji, Mumbai Public School, Matunga, Ward FN. Today we are going to deal with a science topic that is food and nutrition. We all know that food is very much necessary for our growth. We need food to be able to play and to work. A balanced diet helps strengthen our bodies and muscles. Eating healthy food protects us from illness. So now let's see which are the types of foods. The first type of food is energy-giving food. The second type is bodybuilding food. And the third type is protective food. Now let's see each food in detail. The first one, energy-giving food. Now what do you mean by energy-giving food? The food that gives us energy to work and to play are called energy-giving food, such as rice, potatoes, sugar, butter, oil, and wheat. The second type is bodybuilding food. A bodybuilding food are those that help us to grow. They make our bones and muscles strong. The foods included in bodybuilding are red meat, peanut butter, cheese, milk, yogurt, nuts, beans, eggs, and lentils. The third type is protective foods. Food that keep us healthy by protecting us from diseases are called protective foods, such as different type of fruits and vegetables, mainly apples, oranges, strawberry, papaya, broccoli, garlic, ginger, chili, leafy vegetables, and etc. Now let's see what is a balanced diet. We always hear from our teacher saying that we should eat balanced diet. Let's see what is a balanced diet. Meals that include the right amount of food from each group is called a balanced diet. Here you can see a chart of balanced diet. The first part constitutes of fruits and vegetable, that is around 33%. The same percent is given for breads and other cereals and even potatoes. The next part is for milk and dairy products such as cheese, milk, butter, yogurt, etc. And the percentage is 15%. The next is fatty and sugary fruits that constitute of around 7%, and the last one is meat, fish and other alternatives that constitute of around 12%. So altogether this forms our balanced diet. So these foods should be included in our diet to make it a balanced diet so that we remain healthy always. Now the next important constituent is water. We all know that water is very important for all of us. Without water, we can't even live for one single day, not even for an hour or two. So that is why we should drink plenty of water every day. Water has many uses, such as it helps us in digestion of food and circulation of blood. Now let's see what are the different uses of water. First of all, you should all know that our body, our maximum part of our body is composed of water. That is around 75% of our brain consists of water. Around 22% of our bone composes of water. 75% of your muscle is made up of water. And also 22% of your bone is made up of water. Even our blood, that is around 83% of our blood is made up of water. Now water helps us to carry nutrients and oxygens to your cells. It moistens oxygen for breathing. It helps to convert food into energy. It also helps your body to absorb nutrients. It removes waste from your body. So these are the uses of water. That means we all should drink plenty of water. Now, we will conclude the topic by saying good nutritional habits and balanced diet aren't developed in one single day, nor are they destroyed in one unbalanced meal. Eating nutritious and healthy food while maintaining your proper body weight will contribute to a better performance in the classroom, in the gym, and on the dance floor. So students, you should eat healthy foods every day and avoid eating junk food. And also your diet should be a balanced diet. Remember this for now and for all. Thank you so much. Remember this for now and for all. Thank you so much.